पढ़ो लॉस्ट कैमेल SGP3 paragraph 6. The judge smiled and asked why the old man thought the camel was blind in one eye. The animal had eaten the leaves of bushes on only one side of the road, said the old man. Why do you think the camel was carrying wheat and honey? Asked the judge. I saw ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road, said the old man, and there were bees flying around on the other side. I suppose, said this judge. Yes, Your Honor, said the old man. Paragraph 7. The judge turned to the merchants and said, this man had made use of his eyes to look at all things. You have eyes too. Use them. You will find your animal having eyes is not enough. Be intelligent too. And when you find your camel, look after it well. Do not leave it alone. Do not give him heavy loads to carry. Then the judge sent them away.